The Evenflo Pivot Suite travel system offers exceptional versatility with its ability to fold in both parent-facing and forward-facing directions, making it highly adaptable for various travel needs. This travel system is designed with 6 modes of use, allowing seamless transition from an infant car seat to a lay-flat carriage or a toddler seat, providing convenience and ease for growing families. Safety is a priority with the LiteMax Infant Car Seat, which includes an anti-rebound bar and meets rigorous federal safety standards, ensuring peace of mind for parents. The stroller's cruiser tires and rear suspension provide a smooth ride over different terrains, from grass to gravel, enhancing comfort for both parent and child. A spacious storage basket and additional features like a cup holder make this travel system practical for carrying all daily essentials, with options to further customize with additional accessories. The Pivot Suite travel system is not only lightweight and compact, but also durable, accommodating children up to 45 inches tall, thus growing with your child and providing long-term value.